Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Me classes. So our today's topic of discussion is how to use Kriging method for interpolation in ArcGIS. So in the previous video we have got to know how to use IDW, inverse distance weighted. So how to use IDW for interpolation. In this video we are going to show how to use Kriging tool in ArcGIS for interpolation. So likewise we will be completing all the other methods for interpolation. So let's begin with the definition. Kriging is a geospatial interpolation technique that considers both the distance and the degree of variation. But previously in IDW it was considering only distance. But here it is considering both the distance from the sample point and the degree of variation. Spatial degree of variation means to which extent it can expand in space. With spatial means with respect to space. Okay, a Kriged estimate is a weighted linear combination of known sample values around the point to be estimated. Kriging assumes that distance or direction between sample points reflects a spatial correlation. So spatial correlation means there is some relation in space. There is some direct relationship with relationship to space. So it assumes that the distance or direction means the greater the distance, the spatial reaction or the spatial correlation will be more. Okay, and the direction is also important in Kriging, but in IDW it was only considering distance. Here it is considering the distance and the degree of variation, which is called as spatial correlation or a spatial variation or spatial expansion. Okay, so let's move on to the ArcGIS platform. So now you can see we have the same study area and we have the study area points. Okay, so in the points we have the latitude, longitude and the average annual rainfall of my stations. Okay, if you consider this each point as a rain gauge station or a station within a sub watershed, then we have the average annual rainfall data. So this average annual rainfall data either you can add manually, okay, using add field option. You have a add field option here. Here one add field option is there, you can use manually, or you can see my previous videos how to import a Excel file into ArcGIS and how to assign values to these point shape files. Okay, so now we have added everything. So now we have all now go to system toolboxes. Then here you go to spatial analysis tools. Then here one option is there, interpolation. So here the sub option is Kriging. Double click on Kriging. Then go to input point features, means you have to input the point shape file. Then this Z field, which we will assign as rainfall. If you don't assign the proper parameter, then your range of values or your output will be wrong. So surface raster, leave it as it is. We can later on change it. Okay. Then Kriging method. So there are two types of method, ordinary and universal method. So in the best part about ArcGIS is that once you click on any parameter, it will any parameter if you want to input what should I input, then immediately it is showing you the definition or the specifications or what does that parameter means, like output cell size, what does that mean. Furthermore, if you want to explore these options, then you have an option here, tool help. Okay, in tool help you will give entire thing about Kriging. Not only Kriging, other tools, any tool you want to know, there is an option called tool help. You will get the entire thing, what does Kriging means, how it is done, how this process is completed, what are the each tool, what does each sub tool inside the Kriging toolbar means, what do you mean by in point features, what do you mean by Z field, what do you mean by semigram variogram properties, everything. Then the Python code is also present. So if you are good in Python, then you can also directly copy this code and use in your Python programming, and you can do your calculations accordingly. Like there are so many semigram, spherical, circular, exponential, Gaussian, linear. So like this you can explore. Okay, so the default semi-variogram type is spherical. So here we are taking spherical. So you can try the other models, okay, and you can see the results and you can compare those results and you can present it in your work. Okay, then leave as it is. Okay, number of points is 12. Okay, so maximum distance, everything is, you leave it as it is. Then go to environments. Here you go to processing extent. Here you have to select our boundary shape file, not the point shape file. then go to raster analysis, then go to mask. Here also you have to select the boundary shapefile, then OK, then click OK, then wait for the result. Okay, so now you have seen we have got our results. We have got our results. So if you want to edit this, go to properties, go to symbology. So here you can go to format labels, number of significant digits you can decrease to 3. The number of classes also you can change. Okay, and the values also you can change. Apply. Okay. Okay, if this color is not looking good. Okay, so this can be our interpolation rainfall map using Kriging. So to make a layout, you can go to the layout toolbar. Then as you can see in my all my previous videos, like how I have done, go to insert title, rainfall map of study area using Kriging. Rainfall map of study area using Kriging. Rainfall map of study area using Kriging. So then you can add the legends. You can add the legends. Study area point finish equal to next finish. So now you can add the legends. Okay. Now you can add the legends. Okay. Then we can add grids. We can add grids. Then we can add a north arrow. So then you add the grids and you can export this map. So just remember one thing, where this environments, processing extent and raster analysis. Here you have to change the mask or the boundary with the boundary shapefile of your study area. Okay, if you are not doing that, then you will get some wrong interpolation. The interpolation will be correct, but it will be not defined within your study area. If you don't have any boundary, then no need of giving all these things. Just simply input the point features, give the z value field and go to and click OK, and you will find your results. Okay, so here you can also change, like if this range is coming, you can change low, high, medium, anything you can write, it will automatically change here. Low, high, medium. If you write here high, it will change. So if you show some strings, low, very high, medium, so you can also change the legends like this. So if you have liked this video, or if you have gained any knowledge from this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Ask Me Classes. Thank you so much, and also comment your queries. So we'll be uploading in our upcoming classes all the interpolation methods. Then most of the tools of this ArcGIS platform will be covered in this geospatial master class. Thank you so much. Have a good day.